Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add beneficiary in Dhofar. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to add beneficiary in Dhofar, first what you need to do is log into your Dhofar online or mobile banking. So simply head over and open up your Dhofar application and then simply log in using your username and password or /OTP as registered. Then once you're inside the home screen of the bank Dhofar, what you need to do is select instant transfer or mobile payment. Then inside select manage beneficiaries, and then next is to choose the add a beneficiary option by simply tapping on add beneficiary or new page. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is enter beneficiary details. You will need beneficiary name, full name of the person or the company, account number, IBAN for Omani and international transfers, bank name, bank beneficiary name, and branch, which is optional, and mobile or email number. And once that's done, what you need to do is choose type of transfer like internal or external. Then next is confirm and authorize. Review all details carefully. Authorize using OTP sent to your registered mobile number, and some transaction may require token or digital signature if it's your first beneficiary. The next is beneficiary activation. For the first time external beneficiaries, Dhofar may require a waiting period, usually 24 hours before you can transfer funds. After the waiting period, the beneficiary is active and ready for transfers. To ensure the details are correct, some customers do a small test transfer before sending full amount. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.